I like how it rises like that. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 2-pack queen size down alternative pillow. So this is going to be a 1-month review video. Let's get into it and let me show you all the features that this pillow has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see how soft this pillow is. It has a good comfort to it, and it confirms nicely to your neck. So let me show you the different positions that this is perfect for. So you can see how it conforms to my neck nicely. So my neck is nice and protected. I'm gonna go for the side, same thing. Or if I go with the stomach. And you can see the rebound of the pillow comes back up real quickly. And you can squish it like this if you want to prop it up. Go like so. So it always keeps the shape and it doesn't stay flat. So this is a great pillow. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is some great queen size alternative down pillows. I like how soft these are, and I like how they don't stay flat, that they rebound very nicely, and I like the quality of the pillows. So these are great pillows to have in your bedroom. Thanks for watching.